My dear students, warmly welcome to Aadhars and Ideal Educational Institutions. It's my pleasure to see the online class, Social Science. We discuss about Economics Unit 1, Lesson Understanding Development, Perspective Measurement and Sustainability. Now we discuss about question and answer marked. All are take your social book. First question answer. Choose the best answer. First one. Page number 290. Choose the correct answer. First one. Assertion. A. Development increases the quality of life. Reason. People will have higher income, better education, better health and nutrition, less poverty. Answer. Option A, both and are true and explains A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. Question number second. The term human resource refers to. The term human resource refers to. Option A is correct. Option D. Collective abilities of people. Collective abilities of people. Question number third. For comparing development between countries, the dash is considered to be one of the most important attribute. Answer B. Answer B. Income. Question number 4. Dash is considered a true measure of national income. Answer C. Answer C. NNP. Question number B. The dash income is also called per capita income. Answer A. Answer A. Average. Question number 6. Which one of the following country is not a G8 country? Answer D. Answer D. India. 7th one. Which one of the following country is not a member of SAARC? Answer C. Answer C. China. Question number 8. Assertion A. The net national product is considered as a true measure of national output. Reason. It is also known as national income. Answer A is correct. Answer A is correct. Both A and R are true and R explain A. Question number 9. Question number 9. Assertion A. Human resource is necessary for the progress of any country. Reason. Investment in education and health of people can be result in high rate of nutrition in the future for a country. Answer A. Answer A. Both A and R are true and R explains A. Next, question number 10. Question number 10. The Human Development Index does not take into account the following dimension in its calculation. Answer A. Answer A. Gender. Question number 11. Among the following states which have the literacy rate 2011 higher than national average. Answer C. Tamil Nadu. Answer C. Tamil Nadu. Question number 12. Sex ratio means. Sex ratio means. Answer D. Optional. Answer D. Option. The number of female per 1000 males. Question number 13. Intergenerational equality is ensured under the process of. Answer C. Answer C. Sustainable development. Sustainable development. Question number 14. Find the odd one. Solar energy, wind energy, paper and natural gas. Okay. Question number, find the odd one. Answer is C. Paper. Answer is C. Paper. Question number 15. Dash is the state with the highest installed solar capacity in India. Answer option A. Tamil Nadu. Answer A. Tamil Nadu. Question number 16. Dash resources are those which will get exhausted after years of use. Answer C option. C option non-renewable. C option non-renewable. Question number 17. Thermal plant emit large quantity of dash which pollute the environment. Answer D. Answer D. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Next one, second Roman letter. Fill in the blanks. First one, economic progress of any country is known as. Economic progress of any country is known as economic development. Answer is economic development. ECONOMIC DEVELOPMENT. Economic development. Question number 2. The headquarters of HRD, Human Resource Development Ministry, is in dash New Delhi. New Delhi. Next, question number 3. The state having the highest literacy rate in India is dash. Answer Kerala. Answer Kerala. 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 Question number 4. Human Development Report of the World prepared and released by dash. Human Development Report of the World prepared and released by. Answer UNO. Answer UNO. Question number 5. Question number 5. Groundwater is an example of dash resource. Answer is renewable. Answer renewable. RENEWABLE. Question number 6. The book An Uncertain Glory was written by Professor Amartya Sen. PROF. Full stop. Amartya Sen. AMERTYASEN. Amartya Sen. Professor Amartya Sen. PROF. AMERTYASEN. Professor Amartya Sen. Okay. Roman letter 3rd. Match the following. Question. First question. Development. Answer. Part of daily life. Answer. Part of daily life. Second one. Human resource. Second one. Human resource. Answer. Education. Answer. Education. Third one. Solar energy. Solar energy. Answer. Renewable resources. Answer. Renewable resources. Question number 4. 1972. Answer. Wildlife Protection Act. Wildlife Protection Act. Okay. Next. Fourth Roman letter. Give short answer. Give short answer. Question number 1. What do you mean by development? Page number 285. Page number 285. Left side, first para, the word development 2, third line, the particular person. First line to third line, in third line, the particular person. Okay, close the bracket. Question number second. What are the indicators of development? What are the indicators of development? Page number 286. Third para, left side, third para fully. The major indicators to last line, the development index. That's all. The para fully. Page number 286, left side, second, third para fully. Okay. Question number third. Why NNP is not considered as an useful measure to compare a country's development with other countries? Page number 286. Page number 286. Right side, first para, first line 2. Eighth line, first line to eighth line, in different country, a different country. First line, how far, comparing to eighth line, a different country. That's all. Question number 4. Why human resource is considered as for the foremost resource of any country? Why human resource is considered as the foremost resource of any country? Page number 287. Left side, first para, the human resource is, first line, the second, first para, first line, the human resource to last line, the production sector. I mean this para fully. This para fully. First line human resource, last line the production sector. That's all. Question number 5. Expand the following. Triple P. It means page number 286. Purchasing. Page number 286. Second para. Heading only. Purchasing power parity. Heading only. Next one, the HDI, Human Development Index, page number 287, second para, 11th line, page number 287, left side, page number 287, left side, second para, 11th line, underline the Human Development Index. That's all. Human Development Index. That's all. Answer is that's all. Expand the HDI means Human Development Index. And expand the following. Triple P, purchasing power parity. That's all. Question number 6. Expand the following. NNP. Page number 286. Third para. Heading only. Net national product. Net national product. PCI. Second one, PCI. Page number 286. Right side, first para, heading only. Per capita income. Per capita income. That's all. Only heading only. Question number 7. What is solar power? Page number 287. Page number 287. What is solar power? Page number 289. Page number 289. Question number 7. What is solar power? Page number 289. Left side, first para. Page number 289. Left side, first para. The solar power to 6th line. electricity. In sixth line electricity and close the bracket. First line solar power to in sixth line in electricity, that's all. Close the bracket. Okay students, next Roman letter 5th answer. Roman letter 5 answer in detail. First one, discuss the policies for sustainable development. Page number 287. Page number 287. Right side first para, second para, third para, fourth para, fifth para, sixth para. I mean first para sustainable economic 2. In sixth para 1 to sixth para last line cannot be replenished. Sixth para last line they cannot be replenished. Close your bracket. That's all. Question number second. Describe in detail about environmental policies in India. Page number 289. Page number 289. Right side. First para, second para, third para, fourth para, fifth para. That's all. Page number 289. Question number 289. Page number 289. First para environmental policy 2. Last line sixth para the quality of opportunity. That's all. Okay. Question number 3rd. Detail. Question number 3rd. Differentiate between renewable and non-renewable resources. Page number 288. Page number 288. Second para. Renewable resource, non-renewable resource. Two heading. Renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Renewable resource 2 para and non-renewable resource 2 para. That's all. Page number 288. Second para renewable resource 2 para and non-renewable resource 2 para. That's all. Close your bracket. Question number 4. Mention any 5 environmental act their action. Page number 289. Page number 289. Last tables. The last tables. I mean there are the 6 act in our book. Only mark the only 5 act only. Page number 289. Last para. The 6 act are in our book, but you marked only 5 points only. Only mark the 5 points. I mean, first point, the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 and action environmental protection and conservation of forest and other natural resources. Second point, the Biological Diversity Act 2002 to provide for conservation of biological diversity. Third one, the Environment Protection Act 1986 providing for the protection and improvement of the environment, and Forest Act, and check deforestation and encourage the afforestation of non-forest area, and only 5 points mark. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you for watching video.